Change is the heartbeat of life, the rhythm that propels us forward into new territories, new experiences. Moving houses is more than just a change of address. It's a symbol of growth.
So we are moving apartments from this one to another area so we can get to experience a different part or area of Malaysia.
Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I'm good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you're hurting me. Stuck in repeat. Stop lying. I know you play your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know if you don't need me? Just let me know when I go. Truthfully, the game that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. I know you play your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go. I know you play your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just
I want to show you guys this apartment, and if whoever is coming to Malaysia or you're interested to come into Malaysia, you might book this place. So this apartment is close to a train station, so it's very easy to access public transportation, which is fast considering the traffic in Malaysia. So let me show you the apartment, how our room looks. It's a bit messy because we are still packing. So when you enter, they have a shoe rack over there. Then we have the sink over there. It comes with a fridge, a kettle. Also comes with this area where you can sit, do some work or have a meal. And this is the bathroom area. That's me. It comes with these towels. That's how the bathroom looks like. It also has all this closet space. All this is closet space and more space up there. I had placed my suitcase up there and our bags. And yeah, it also has a mirror. That's me again. It also comes with that iron. You can put it inside there if you'd like. I had removed it just to iron my clothes. This is the view you get from the door. So this is the living room. It comes with a working desk. I think my man must have changed this setting. Probably this was somewhere else. This is the view you get from the balcony. This is the view. So you get to see the tall building. That's Malaysia's tallest building. And if you look closely over there, you can see the twin towers over there. There. You can see the heads of the twin towers, and this is the traffic in Malaysia. That's why I suggested it's better using a train rather than taxi. And you can see this is where some of the train goes through. Right now there's no incoming train. I would have shown you guys. So I'll show you how it looks at night, how the view looks at night. It also has an AC. The apartment comes with an AC. To access the bed, you have to go up the stairs. Bedroom area, you have that bed over there. You have a fan when it gets hot at night if you don't want to switch on the AC. This is the view you get from up here. And if you're short or tall, you can easily hit yourself. This is the view you get from the bedroom window. They also have fast Wi-Fi, and this is the pool area. They also have a gym.